Hi, this is Danielle Thompson, an ambassador for Usmed, and I wanted to personally welcome and thank you for joining us today. We are glad to be here as this podcast is made just for you. Today, we are going to learn about the ways that Salt Lake City seniors can stay active through the Usmed program and how you can get involved within your community. Before we dive in, make sure you check out the Usmed page online at www.usmed.com. Now, let's get started. As we begin, do me a favor and picture your ideal life. Do you have a house and a family? Maybe a great job and hobbies you enjoy like fly fishing or scrapbooking. How about your health? Are you satisfied with where you are, or would you like to be a little bit more active? Well, I am here to help you grow closer to the future that you envision for yourself. Let's begin with your journey with Usmed. Usmed is a program initiated in Salt Lake City, Utah, to help residents 60 years and older either begin, maintain, or increase their activity levels. This is not a boring gym program. This is the beginning of gradual, manageable life changes to encourage activity in a sustainable way for you. At Usmed, we believe that keeping regular activity levels can enrich a person's life in their senior years by giving them goals to strive for, increasing stamina and strength, reducing the likelihood of disease or illness, meeting new people, and having fun. The great thing about our program is we celebrate any progress made, and you can tailor the exercises or activities you choose to fit your lifestyle. While you reap personal benefits like better health and community outreach opportunities, we'd still like to give you extra incentive to participate. This is where community events come into play. We hold our annual kickoff event every January, along with several smaller events throughout the year. They are designed specifically for you to enjoy activities filled with exercise in an environment that allows you to meet with other community members. It is an added bonus that everyone comes with the same goals in mind and lifelong friendships are created. We believe that community support helps motivate our members and creates a sense of unity. This past year, we had the highest number of attendees at our annual kickoff event in January. We were really able to connect with our senior members and create new goals for the upcoming year. We had local vendors attend with giveaways, healthy food samples, exercise games, and classes were in progress. Great music and even representatives from Usmed and local health facilities were available for questions and general health information. One resident, Bill Davis, later spoke to our representatives at the event. He detailed how much better he felt, how he looked forward to moments of movement throughout the day, and even told us how his physician was pleased with his progress at his latest annual physical. Can you imagine what positive changes are in store for you? So, now you have all this information and you have a choice. I'm reaching out to you as a community member, an Usmed ambassador, and your biggest believer. We can achieve our health goals together while maintaining our independence and securing happiness for ourselves. I'm excited to start this journey of wellness with you. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure you visit our website or any of our social media pages to stay informed on upcoming events and subscribe to our channel. You can also rate and review this podcast and share it with your friends. It is a great resource for the program and is filled with information to help you on your journey to an active life. Thank you so much for listening, and let's get moving towards our best future today.